This video is for just educational purpose only. You can easily explore. The project link is here. Hello crypto fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought something really interesting for you. This is actually about the crypto to cash. Yes, you can now convert your crypto asset into cash, and you can also save your identity. It's mean you are going to do this operation anonymously, and this crypto to cash platform is just taking 2% fee. That is really near to very low fees. But here you can easily check what you want to convert. You have to select the asset here. There is also Ethereum. If I have a Solana, put your name. Yes, what is your account name? You can easily write here your email address, your phone number, and after you can also put some other message that you want to send to their team. And after the submission, you will also get your cash. Further, you can easily go ahead to exchange instantly all these assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Dogecoin, and many other. So this is going to be really interesting, and I am also going to using it for its simplicity interface, for its bank grade level security, and there no KYC required, no registration needed. It's mean people can easily come on this platform. They can select the currency, they can easily put the name, email, phone number, and message, and then you can also proceed to the next. You can easily swap easily, and here in just 3 steps, complete the form, receive a quotation, and get your cash faster. In this way you can easily start. I will also show you. This platform is already working in 37 plus countries. 51 assets are already available, and people are also working on this platform. Now I am going to show you how it works. We have selected here one currency. As we have filled this is our form, and then I am going to clicking on the submit option, and then message has been received successfully. We have to get some more instruction in their WhatsApp group that is also given link to. You can easily get that on that number, and in this way you can proceed, and everyone can easily start their new level of journey here. If you want to know further information about the transactions, then here are all the record, and how it works, and people are coming here with the just input output everything, like what they are going to swap or exchange. Link in my video description. You can easily come join and start your exchange without require any other requirement. Just you need to come on the platform and start your exchange with also some beneficial details. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question or query, you can easily get started. I will appreciate in the comment box. You can share your thoughts. See you next video.